So in this part of the authentication, we are going to add in the possibility to verify your email. So we're going to first replace this one with this, which then creates a route from for the authentication and the verify route. Then we need to go into our environment file and add in our username and password. I'm going to use Mailtrap in this example. And remember to change this when you go to production, of course. Mailtrap is free for a limited amount of data you can use. So I'm just using all of this info. And then you just need to go into the user here. Then we need to say implements must verify email. Alright, so now that should be working. So if we go into register, go in and type in some new info, and then we can go in and say United Kingdom, and then we can go in and say something like google.com, and then we can say some password here. And then we can just use okay, so we get an error here, and the reason why we get this error is because we need to error is most likely that we just need to close down this server and then open it up again, because we have changed the configuration file. So if we just go to this port instead, it should most likely work. So just to be sure that it works, we'll just try to do this. Yes, so now it works. Okay, so if we then go into our Mailtrap here, we have got this verified email. And if we then click here, you can see that if we go into the database now, refresh here. It's important to refresh in case to just be sure that it actually works. Check the last username. And then email verified at. Okay, great. So now we actually have an email that's verified. So basically, remember to close down your server when you change the configuration, otherwise it will not load the new configuration file. And remember to change this when you put it onto production if you do that, so you won't have like some mail trap running this system. Otherwise you will be good to go with the authentication system now. Thank you for watching this video.